You don't deserve bullying, but it is a challenge and you have the opportunity to grow from it. You get bullied because you are different. You are open, deep, and vulnerable.
Here we will show you how you can strengthen yourself from the inside, protect yourself, and grow with the challenges. Just join in as best as you can.
Create a feeling of breadth. Feel your expansion to the right and allow your right leg to be carried away by it. Feel your expansion to the left and let the left leg go with it. Retain the feeling of width when you bring your arms and legs close to your body. Feel your feet on the floor. Move back and forth very slightly until you find the center. Can you still feel the width and how you are carried from the inside? Step forward with your right leg, but so that your head leads the leg. Close the step. The head leads the leg. Close the step. A third time. One last time. The right leg follows. Take a step with your left leg, but so that your head follows your leg. Close the step. The left leg leads, the head follows. A third time. One last time. The leg leads the head. Perceive the heart, and from there expand your body feeling and your arms out so far that you still feel protected and enveloped. And when you come back in, feel the space that you have built up. Try out what helps you to create this shelter. A deep breath right down to the belly. Or if you tilt your head more or less, when you feel the ground under your feet, when you move the shoulder blades or the spine, Divide the outward and inward movement into 3 sections each. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let the exercises reverberate for half a minute. This will help you to perceive yourself properly and to react more appropriately later on. Keep your hands at a distance from your body. Have the feeling that you collect colors from your surroundings in your hands while you bring them together in a loose fist in front of the lower abdomen. It is dark in your hands. Nobody sees the colors, but their radiance is clearly noticeable right into the whole body. Extend one hand forwards. Shine gently and lightly through the fingers from the heart with a weightless, light-like feeling similar to yellow. Bend your hand slightly upwards and create a feeling of warmth that radiates forward from the palm of your hand. Now pay attention to the reverse current that arises in the arm. Bend your hand up steeply so that you feel the uplifting force right into your back. Allow yourself to feel only yourself and the red power that you now radiate. Do the same again with the other hand. Gently, weightlessly shining through the hand with a yellow feeling. Bend the hand upwards. Radiate warmth. Feel the countercurrent in your arm. The hand vertical. Perceive your back. Perceive your inner strength. Imagine a yellow-green plane. Use your hand like a part of this plane, which you place just in front of you, like a transparent protective shield, so that you can feel it all over your body. Do it again with the other hand. Do it again with the hand that felt best. Let the exercises reverberate for half a minute. The lips lie loosely on each other. Do not let air through the front and vibrate gently. Feel how the floor of the tongue in the lower jaw relaxes and sinks downwards. The palate opens at the back and the air flows through the nasal cavity to the nose and from there downwards. The space in the mouth becomes large.
Cross your legs and put your lower legs gently together. Have as little pressure as possible between the legs. They touch each other as gently as the lips rest on each other in speaking M. Relax the pelvic floor similarly to your tongue in speaking the M. Slowly bend your knees and perform the descent from the pelvic floor. Rise up carefully. In sinking down, feel as if your diaphragm rises up and your arms become wide, similar to what happens to the palate when saying M. Try to feel the vibrations of the lips and at the same time a corresponding feeling in the legs.
Imagine a situation where you were able to concentrate particularly well. Create a cross by extending your arms far out to the right and left from the heart. Feel the floor, your uprightness, your balance between front and back. Visualize your concentration power in front of your forehead. Notice the feeling of firmness and security in the forehead. Lead it over to the back of your head. Pour it, as if it were water, down your whole spinal cord. Now take time to let the exercises take effect and observe what is going on in your body.